Namaste everyone. Bharti Wellness welcomes you to this series on Maharishi Patanjali's Yoga Sutras. Today we will be exploring Sutra 1.11 from first chapter Samadhipat. The sutra is Anubhut Vishaya Sampramosha Smritihi, meaning is memory is the retention of the objects that have been experienced. Here, Maharishi Patanjali describes fifth and final type of vritti, smriti or memory. In this sutra, Anubhuta means experienced, that has been perceived. Vishaya means object or subject of experience. Sampramosha means not letting go, retaining. Smriti means memory. Smriti vritti means the mental impression of past experiences is stored in chitta, the subconscious mind, recalled when the conditions arise. Sage Vyas explains all our perceptions, whether true, false, imagined, or absent, all leave behind subtle imprints called samskaras. When these impressions reappear in the mind without any new sensory contact, that is memory or smriti. For example, when you smell a flower and later also you remember its fragrance vividly, though the flower is not present, this is smriti. Smriti connects past and present. It gives continuity to our personality but can also bind us. When unexamined, memories fuel attachment, fear, repetitive thoughts. But when purified through awareness, memories become wisdom, ability to learn without clinging. Smriti can be true or false, depending on how accurately we can recall the experience. A restless mind, Kshipta Chitta, or dull mind, Mood Chitta, distorts memory, whereas a steady mind, Sthir Chitta or Ekagra Chitta, recalls clearly. In yoga, Smriti can be both helpful or hurdle. It can help to preserve learning and insight, yet attachment to any pleasant or painful memories disturbs the mind. Therefore, Smriti also must be brought to stillness through nirodh or control. Think, which memories do I replay more often, whether they bring clarity or agitation? And also, can I see memory as information and not as identity, allowing it to guide me and not define me? So, with this sutra, Maharishi Patanjali completes the classification of five vrittis: Pramana, Viparyaya, Vikalpa, Nidra, Smriti. So, the essence of Sutra 1.11 is Smriti is mental retention of past experiences. When purified, memory becomes wisdom. When clung to, it becomes bondage. Yoga teaches us to remember consciously, but ultimately go beyond memory and rest in pure awareness. So this was about Sutra 1.11. We will meet again in next episode with next Sutra. Until then, Namaste.